guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this affordable drugstore makeup look today. I didn't do much on the eyes, but I did add some eyeliner and a bold lip. I do want to mention very quickly, thank you so much Moda brushes for partnering with me in this video. Make sure to keep watching because I have a surprise. Maybe it's at the end of the video or maybe it's in the middle of the video. I don't know. You guys have to find out. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. And if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. I'm so excited because I'm going to be using lots of new products today. So first, I'm going to take the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Matte Primer. Kind of like reminds me of Vaseline. Alright, so the primer is like super thick. Doesn't smell like anything and it kind of reminds me of Vaseline. Whoa. Wow, yeah, it feels like super sticky. Basically gonna be showing you guys how I create this look using my favorite brush kit, which is the Moda Metallics, Gold Metallics 7-piece brush kit. It brings 6 brushes, which is awesome, and it brings like a cool brush holder. So it's considered like a 7-piece set. So for foundation today, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Classic Tan. So I'm actually using one of their brushes from the Moda Mythical gift set. And look how beautiful this brush is. It's stunning. So I'm actually gonna just dab my brush in there. And I'm gonna just start patting this foundation into my skin. As I'm using this brush, I'm just pressing the foundation into my skin because I want to make sure that I get full coverage. So for concealer today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. I feel like this concealer never fails me. So if you're that kind of girl that likes to create that triangle shape like me, then this brush is going to make your life so much easier. And guess what, guys? They hooked me up. Well, they hooked you guys up with an awesome coupon code, which I'm going to be leaving down below in the description so you guys can check it out. Moving on, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Fair Light. I'm going to start setting my concealer. And it's just perfect that it's pointed so it goes right into that area. I'm using the LA Girl Pro setting powder to set my foundation, and to really set my foundation I like to press the powder into my skin. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to use the same brush to apply my bronzer. What I love about this kit is that it's so versatile. You can use these brushes for so many different things. I'm gonna dip into the NYC Bronzer in Sunny because this is my favorite bronzer, if you guys didn't know that. And I'm just going to do circular motions. Okay guys, so for brows today, I'm gonna use the Milani Brow Gel. This is in the shade Dark Brown. To carve out my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the same brush, and just so you guys know, I did clean it off, so I do not have any product on my brush. So I'm just going to quickly blend that out. So now I'm just brushing my eyebrows in place using my NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. I'm actually going to go back in with that same powder brush. And I'm going to use my Milani blush in Tea Rose. Just going to go back in with this brush and really clean up my contour. Not my contour, but my bronzer. So for highlighter today, I'm using the Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. I just like to use like a more defined, more smaller brush to apply my highlighter, because I just have more control of where my highlighter is being placed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a little bit of my bronzer into my crease just to give me some color. After this, you guys can just stop and apply mascara, but I know there's girls out there that can't live without eyeliner, so I'm going to apply it just for you guys. I'm going to use the Maybelline Eye Studio eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner. I like to keep my eyes open when I draw out my wing because I feel like it's easier for me. So once I have my eyeliner completely done, I'm just gonna go in with mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. This is literally my favorite drugstore mascara. I'm gonna be using the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes, and these are literally the most natural, not so dramatic lashes. They actually blend in with your actual lashes, and it's like a perfect length, so you can kind of like fool people in making them believe that these are your actual lashes. You can apply mascara to actually make them more fuller. Okay guys, so at this point, when it comes to lips, you guys can rock whatever lip color you guys want to. You guys can wear nude lips, you guys can do like a darker lip. I'm actually gonna do a red lip today. So I'm gonna use a lip brush to apply the lipstick because I want it to be super precise, especially since I'm working with such a vibrant color. You wanna make sure that you have full control when applying your lipstick. I'm just gonna take the pointed blending brush to apply the highlighter in my inner corner. And now for the special surprise that I have for you guys. So Moda Brushes was kind enough to send me an extra brush set for one lucky winner. And all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, and then comment down below once you're done with those 2 steps. And then I will pick one lucky winner. I know you guys are gonna love it. So good luck to everyone, and I can't wait till the next video. So let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys next time.